Namaste, how are you guys? And yes, finally here it is. I'm wearing black. And you guys know it, a lot of my Instagram followers know it. I am doing a eating only one food color challenge for today, and that's the color black. You guys went crazy and showed so much love on my eating only pink food colored challenge. I got like 100k views in 5 days, and that never happened before. So I am so grateful. I hope you guys love this video as much as you loved the previous one. So before I start this video, I just want to let you guys know that I have few things planned here and there, but I have never made or tried any of those. So I'm not sure if it will work out for sure, or I'll just end up being hungry the entire day. So we'll see how this goes. I am really excited. So yeah, now without further ado, let's get started. First, subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. We are so close to 150k. Let's get there real soon. And now let's get started with this video. For breakfast, I usually have a milk along with some dry fruits. That's my usual go-to breakfast, but I don't think I can find black milk, and I don't want to have black tea or coffee. So today I'm gonna start my day off with a detox juice. This is the raw charcoal lemonade. It has activated charcoal. It's jet black. Anyway, so I'm gonna try this out for the first time. If I can only open this. Yeah. It's like lemonade, but it's very khatta. Sorry, very sour. There's like fine particles coming in my mouth. So I think that's charcoal. I could have black raisins, but घर पे नहीं है यार. मतलब I thought it's there at my place, but it's not. So I am just gonna have this for my breakfast today. Hopefully this is filling. If not, then I'll just be hungry. मेरे को बहुत खट्टा लग रहा है यार. That's fine. So basically they added black activated charcoal powder inside lemonade. I think I can make that at home. I'm gonna try it soon. It's lunchtime now and I'm like super duper hungry. Now there's a problem. Firstly, I got black rice and I seriously have no clue how to make this, so I'm gonna attempt and try to make this like normal rice. So it'll be the first time I'll be ever trying out black rice in my life. And then I also have the black bean sauce. So yeah, so to put on the rice I got this. Wow. So there are some broken pieces which appears like it's white rice, but it's actually just broken. So we'll just ignore that and we'll try to cook this first. So I have just soaked in the rice and water and we'll just let it stay for like 10 minutes. Meanwhile, I'm super hungry. So this is what I kept for my evening snacks. But since I'm super hungry, I'm gonna try and see if this is actually black or not. So this is the Oreo soft cake. It's available on Amazon if you want. I'll put the link in the description box below. But I'm hoping this should be at least dark brown, like darkest brown. It's not black at all. Is it? But it's like dark brown. I don't know what to do. I'm super hungry yaar. सूंघ के पेट भर रही हूँ मेरा. I'm just trying to open the cooker now and see if it's ready or not. There's still just water inside, and then there's rice. Is this cooked? Okay. It's chewy. I think I need to keep it for more. Cook it more. God, I'm so hungry. Okay. Let's hope it's done. The water was more for sure, like if you are making black. This is what it looks like now. Even though it's overcooked, go ahead and cook this. looks so bad. I don't even feel like eating it. Sauce, the black bean sauce smells. Let's not talk about it. It's time for the taste test. Firstly, I don't know if I added more salt or not, but it's salty. I don't know if the sauce also had salty or the taste of the sauce was also salty because I didn't taste it. So I have no clue about it. Even if I take one bite, I need like 5 minutes just to like push it down my throat. So I am gonna cheers firstly. Oh, it's the daughter one, right? I saved this. Actually, opening this with big nails is a struggle. So hungry, I wanna eat, but abort mission. I swear if I have one more spoon of that, I'll puke straight away. We're just gonna have this for lunch and get back to work. I have to shoot. I'm literally surviving on liquids in this challenge. Wow. Hey guys, yeah, I just got done with my shoot and I'm super happy with the way it turned out. As usual, super hungry again because my lunch was pretty bad. Also, my daddy just saw the rice and she was like, you have to cook it for less time. So when I did it for the first time, I should have just added one whistle and the rice should have been ready, but I overcooked it and that's why it turned out sticky and all. Yeah, I really regret it, but we're gonna move forward. So for the evening snacks, I decided to get nachni chips. Now most of the nachni chips that I have seen were black, or dark brown. So let's open and see how this is. Like, it looks dark brown on the pictures, but I'm just hoping some magic happens. Okay. Yeah, it's like brown. Proper brown. Why am I failing since morning? Okay, last option is Oreo. Also, I couldn't find a bigger packet than this, so this is the only thing that I have. It's for 10 rupees and I think there are like 5 biscuits inside. Maybe I can make something. I have decided I'm gonna make the smoothie. I got this activated charcoal powder and it's edible. I can even apply it on my face and everything. So I'm gonna make a black smoothie out of activated charcoal powder, ice cream, one banana and some chocolate sauce. We'll see how this goes. I am super excited. My creative juices are flowing after having such a nice shoot. So let's go make this. I did it, you guys. I finally made something which is black. Now let's see if this is good or not, because I think I added a lot of black charcoal powder to make it like jet black. Like, look at this. It's so black. Wow. It's so good. It's actually like chocolate milkshake, but just it's black. I can actually feel the powder, but it's not affecting the taste anyhow. I'm gonna have this. I made like 2 glasses for this, so yeah, I am sorted. Super se I've been having liquid. Hopefully for dinner I'll have something solid. Fingers crossed. Okay guys, so it's dinner time now and I am planning to order something from outside because I ran out of ideas. And also there's this place nearby which sells black pav bhaji and I always wanted to try it out, and I wanted to try it since like forever, but I never got the time or the right occasion to. And what a day, like this gives me a reason to try that out. But there'll be a little twist. I cannot have the pav with the bhaji because the pav won't be black, the bread. So I just hope they have something which is black, or either they have like masala pav. So I'm just gonna go and see So they have red chum chum and black chum chum. Now chum chum is something that I think I can have, and then there's black pav bhaji, but like you can see this pav which is not black. They have black tawa pulao is the thing. If nothing works, I can eat this for sure. Yes. Subah se bhooki thi main. I'm just gonna order black chum chum, black pav bhaji, black tawa pulao. Okay, it will come in 33 minutes. It's showing right now. I'm so hungry. I can like eat it all by myself, but nahin. I just say that all the time. Anyway, so now I'll just wait for it to come. It's here. I'm so excited. I just hope it's black. It smells so good. Okay, so first we have papad, which obviously I'm not gonna eat, and a pav, which again I'm not gonna eat. Then we have, so this is the black chum chum, but it has cheese on the top, so I'll just remove the cheese and then eat the inside portion of. Okay, so the inside portion, this is what I'm gonna eat. Raita. Obviously I'm not gonna eat any of those. It's for my dad. This is the black pav bhaji. It's darker. And then finally the thing that I was also so excited about. It's hot. I don't know. This is genuinely looking black. I am so excited. Let's try this out first. It's spicier and it's also very, you know, chatakedar, masaledar types. Well, it's time to try out the tawa pulao. My god, this is so good. It's a spicy, it's perfect spice. It's not very spicy. It's like the perfect spice that you can have. And it's black. Oh my god, Bhagwan mil gaya mere ko. Arey baap re. It was so spicy. My dad just had half of it, and I finished the chum chum. 25% of the tawa pulao. I'm so done. Like my stomach is full, but it was so spicy. I'm not sure if you can see, my lips are burning, and it's also like more pinkish than usual. And what's better than ice cream to calm things down after having something spicy? So we'll go and we'll see if we can get the black ice cream that I had before. Finally, brown chocolate portion is gonna be eaten by my dad because I can't eat brown. So now it's all black and I can finally eat it. It's so huge. I don't think I can finish it all by myself. So obviously my dad will help me. But let's go. My nails, I just got done halfway through. The dirtiness is still this. So guys, that was it for this video. I had so much fun honestly, and the ice cream was the cherry on the cake. It was so good. I cannot even. I am so full. I honestly thought I'd die of hunger doing this challenge because black food. So yeah, we normally don't eat black food on a daily basis, but there are a lot of options, so I'm happy about it. And yeah, that's it. Don't forget to give this video a big fat thumbs up. Last video, my pink food challenge, got like 5,000 likes in 3 days. I was mind blown. So comment down below and let me know what other food challenge should I do next, or any other random challenge that you guys would like to see me attempt at least. And subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. We are so close to 150k. Let's get there real soon. And that's it. I'll see you guys in my next video now. Bye.